All right, gang, check it out. If you got a pickup truck, you know, sometimes when you load stuff up in a bed, you got to strap it down. But sometimes when you're loading up a bunch of different sized items or things that's not easy to strap down, sometimes it can be a pain to know what to do. For instance, if you're moving and you've got a bunch of different sized boxes, like how are you going to strap them all down effectively? That's where this comes in. This is a 6x4 cargo net designed specifically for truck beds, and it's extremely stretchy, which I absolutely love. It's designed to connect to your existing anchor points on your truck. Even this is kind of a universal thing, so it's got one anchor point in each corner and then one anchor point on each of the short sides of this to kind of help secure this down. And it comes with the 6 carabiners already installed. But this net isn't just hard, it is stretchy. All of it is stretchy, not just the netting material, even the seam material, meaning that if you build up a big old mound of boxes, you're still going to be able to stretch this over them to keep them secured and safe. Installation's a breeze. Again, comes with the carabiners. You're just clicking it onto the truck bed's existing anchor points, stretching it over, and you're good to go. When you're done, folding it up, wadding it up, whatever you need to do. It's easy to throw in a garage to keep it safe or to keep in the back of your truck just in case behind the seats. Overall, if you're looking for a good option besides just normal tension straps to keep a load secured, check this out. I think you're going to love it.